capital city works for around 11,471 crores worth of works. Totally 18 works actually today cabinet gave approved to go forward. So in this actually in 2014 and 19, almost actually 7,391 crores of works actually last government actually stopped the works. Now actually our CEs actually our department people made an estimation for all these works. Now with today rates, today the rates of sand or metal or whatever it may be, now the cost increased by 2,507 crores. 2,507 crores additionally we had to pay. That is 33.92% rates increased due to SOR. These are all authorized rates. Whatever CEs committee decided, with that rates actually, now it is a burden on the people of Andhra Pradesh, 2,507 crores for these only 18 works. Still so many works are there. Like that last government, YSRCP government, made a lot of mistakes. Among them, this is one. Today, finally, actually, our cabinet actually approved all these things. In that also, last time when we started these works, at that time it is a VAT. VAT is only 5%, but now because of GST, all those things actually the rate also increased. Not only that, in so many roads, actually there is a lot of damage, and in houses also there is a lot of damage. That damage is around 200 and the damage is 286 crores. The damage of works in the last 5 years actually they didn't make any work. Because of that many people took away the metals, all those things, pipes, all those things. So that worth is 286.78 crores. In the same way, because of GST, it is increased 452 crores. Like that actually the total project cost increased actually around 50%. All these things happened because of the last previous government, Jagan Mohan Reddy, attitude and his psycho attitude. That is why now we are going forward. Today actually cabinet approved for these 8 works. Within 1 week again we are going to get some more works for the cabinet. Thank you.
Sir, has there been any decision taken on Adani's power project?
No, any discussion didn't happen.
Sir, what about the metro project, sir?
Metro project actually we submitted for Government of India. We are waiting for approval of DPR.